Wash your face in the morning and at night to keep it clear of dirt, oil, and product buildup. Use an over-the-counter gentle cleanser and lukewarm water. Pat dry with a cotton towel. Moisturize immediately after washing while skin is still damp to hydrate and soothe. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer for your skin type. Define and enhance your brows. Apply an eyebrow pencil, powder or brow powder to define the shape of your brows. Get them professionally shaped if needed. Brush up and out from the middle of the brow for a natural arch. Conceal as needed but avoid full coverage. Dab concealer one shade lighter under your eyes and on any blemishes you want to camouflage. Use a oil-free, water-resistant formula and dust with some loose or pressed powder. Match your powder to your skin tone. Apply some color without going heavy. Blush is a gentle pink or peachy shade. With a blush brush, sweep color onto the apples of your cheeks. Lightly blending outward prevents a harsh line. Powder blush will look most natural while cream may look darker and more dramatic. Illuminate without shimmer. Apply a highlighter with a highlighting brush at the inner corners of your eyes, under your brow bone, and at the cupid's bow of your lip. Cream or liquid highlighters provide a soft glow while powders add shimmer. Go easy on highlighting for day. Define eyes with a soft pencil or cream liner. Line your lash line with a muted brown, dark gray, navy or forest green pencil. Short, subtle wings flicked at the outer corners of the eyes create interest without going heavy. Finish with powder, loose or pressed powder to set the liner and prevent smudging. Stay hydrated and moisturize daily. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin looking bright, smooth and healthy. Apply a lightweight moisturizer and SPF 30 sunscreen daily. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to unclog pores and remove dead skin. Limit harsh products that can strip natural oils. A natural, minimal makeup looks healthy and fresh while still enhancing your best features.